Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel as we create travel contents of Meghalaya and beyond. It is that time of the year to travel again, and today we are on a journey to a place where winter paints the water green and where the hills echo in silence. Welcome to Sohbar, a village which has gained popularity due to its flourishing tourism. This village is 72 kilometers away from Shillong, and you will reach here with a drive of less than 3 hours. The roads are smooth and every bend opens into a new frame. Sunlight breaking through the forest and those narrow zigzag hill roads make you feel you are traveling to your dream destination. The best time to visit Sohbar is during the winter season. Winter changes Sohbar completely. People visit this destination for nature. There are activities to be done like boating, kayaking, fishing, and of course, living in one of those tents. The campsites are lined up for the guests and waiting to be occupied by them. Also, the main attraction of living on these tents are the entertainment provided by local musicians performing live music which float across the dark river like little sparks of magic. The most important attraction of this village here is the Wahrew Bridge. This is Meghalaya's most photogenic bridge, an iron steel bridge with a walkway above the river that looks scenic and very amazing. Air becomes cleaner, the color of the Wahrew River turns into this surreal green mirror. This is the season when Sohbar comes alive. So that's all about Sohbar, a place that looks like a painting and feels like a moment you won't want to forget. If Meghalaya is on your list this winter, make sure this destination is right at the top. If you've watched the video this far, do like, share and subscribe to Travel Cinema Official. See you soon and thanks for watching.